Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to solve x squared plus 4x by x is equals to 7. So let's start with today's video solution. So x squared plus 4x is equals to, we can write 7x. Now x squared is equals to 7x minus 4x. X squared is equals to 3x. So x squared minus 3x is equals to 0. Now I can take x as common. So x minus 3 is equals to 0. Now in the first case, put x is equals to 0 and x minus 3 is equals to 0. So one root is x is equals to 0 and second is x is equals to 3. Now let's verify when x is equals to 0. So it's 0 squared plus 4 times 0 by 0 is equals to 7. So 0 plus 0 is equals to 7 times this 0 goes to other side 0. Now when x is equals to 3. So 3 square plus 4 times 3 by 3 is equals to 7. So 9 plus 12 is equals to 7 times 3. 21 is equals to 21. So it is verified. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt related to any math question, please comment down below.